this day and age. If there ain't a video or a picture, it didn't happen. There you go. We made it down south to Bear Prospecting's event. It was a very nice turnout. Most of these people been here since Friday. They're diehards. We got PA Patriot right there in the house. There's Cliff. We got Cliff addicted to gold prospecting. PA Patriot.
What's up?
AKA Dave in the house. How's it going?
Dan.
Dan.
Yeah.
My bad.
What's going on, everybody?
Doing good, doing good. How's it going?
You guys are online.
You already signed the waiver. I'll just walk y'all down to the creek real quick. Someone found this bed frame somewhere. I don't know if it was submerged all the way or not, but it's a really nice spot. Definitely water been ripping through here from all different directions. There's about 4 or 5 dredges on down the way. People working at periodic spots. This is a new spot to everybody, so it's a crapshoot on what you might find or get. Looks real good to me though. Nice little hole right here. Shit, I should just walk across, but I'm not going to. Damn, whole car parts right there. We'll walk down here and see who else is down here. We got Aqua Donkey Aaron somewhere. That was his wife earlier. Here's Aqua Donkey.
What's up, everybody?
Hell yeah.
Trying to find some shiny.
Hell yeah. Alright, y'all. I just come down here to give these gentlemen a hand. I'm gonna get off here. Y'all have a good day. Peace. Be nice to everybody.
Don't be a dick.
Don't be a dick. Or you might get one where you don't want one. Peace.